In front of me is Realme 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then you need to click on Device Unlock over here. Tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock and then select Face on the left. Now it's time to select Agree in Statement of Use pop-up. Enter your screen lock and click on Continue. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then manage all of those options and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!